Hey there, everybody. Bentley from Too Damn Many Projects. Hey, I hadn't talked to you in a few days because I've been kind of under the weather. I don't know if I'm sick to my stomach or my neck is making me a little queasy. I don't know. I don't care at this point. I just want to get better. So I just came down to see what the guys have been up to today. They pulled the mold off, and we've got a lot of trimming to do and stuff, which is usual, but they got our first boattail, and it's got some little imperfections. So what? You know, we're gonna fix those inside and out. This is the beauty of fiberglass. It's not like you screw it up and you have to recast it. Let's fix what we got. I like the black gel coat on. It's not very shiny, but that's probably due to our mold, which we're going to change because we're going to put real laminating resin in there so we have more consistency and it'll come out easier. But they managed to get it out today. Hanging it upside down works great. I mean, it isn't fitting the car right now. It's not supposed to fit the car. We just set it on the car so we can see it. We got to clip and trim all the excess. We got to figure out where we're going to cut the mold, where we're going to cut the car, and set it in place. But yeah, it's stupidly high right now. That's okay. It's going to be another at least a foot lower, maybe more, but it doesn't do anything for the car looking back on it. It's just you know, it's just sitting there minding its own business. And let me give you a little bit more rear end picture here. They got that going pretty good, and I think we can see all our mistakes and what we have to do to correct them. So that's a good thing. First one in the mold, we'll put the new laminating gel coat on it, and then we'll have a better one next time. Which is fine. First one, I thought it was like the first pancake when you cook breakfast. First pancake's all this shit. But we're moving along here. Zachary's at work on the motor. We got the headers on it just for show, but he's pulling the pan off of it and pulling the cross for the mount and getting it ready to take the mounts that go where the cross is going right along here, and we'll get that all cleaned up and fix little leaky things like that, and he'll be ready to go in the car pretty soon. But right now, the only thing I'm looking for are a pair of rims and a pair of tires. And aside from that, I'm going to get well, and we're going to regroup tomorrow, see how we're doing, and maybe we'll get some progress tomorrow. But I thought I'd give you an update, and shout out to Gary Wells. Happy birthday, buddy. 87 freaking years old. Jeez Louise. God dang it, buddy. Hey, love you, man. Take care. Bye.